The oil and gas industry. It's long been a backbone of modern society, powering economies and shaping nations. But let's be honest, it's also been one of the most dangerous industries out there. When I look back at its early days, safety was almost an afterthought. Picture roughnecks working wildcat wells in the 1920s. Hard hats weren't even standard until decades later. Accidents were common. Blowouts, fires, and toxic gas leaks weren't just possible, they were expected. But over time, something changed. Catastrophic events like the Piper Alpha disaster in 1988, which claimed 167 lives in the North Sea, became turning points. These tragedies forced everyone, from tool pushers to CEOs, to rethink what safety should really mean. That's when the idea of safety culture truly started to take root. Instead of relying only on rules and checklists, companies began to prioritize attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. Employees were encouraged to speak up about hazards, and leadership was expected to listen. Safety stopped being just a box to check. It became part of the industry's DNA. Let's look at how that plays out today. In every major oil and gas company, you'll find safety leadership programs, behavior-based safety training, and near-miss reporting systems. Workers from the rig floor to the boardroom are empowered to pause operations if something feels off. And those near misses, the ones that used to go unreported, are now tracked, analyzed, and learned from. Technology has also stepped up. Advanced sensors, real-time monitoring, and digital twin simulations are now standard. What used to be reactive, cleaning up after a spill, has become proactive, preventing incidents before they happen. But it's not just about the tools, it's about mindset. A strong safety culture means everyone owns safety, whether you're swinging a sledgehammer or signing an executive order. Leaders set the tone by walking the talk. Crew members rely on each other, knowing that a single lapse can have global consequences. Today, oil and gas is still a high-risk world, but the stats tell the story. Lost time injuries and fatalities are down dramatically over the past few decades. It didn't happen by accident. It took relentless focus, learning from mistakes, and a commitment to protect every person on every shift. So next time you drive a car or flip on a light, remember, behind that energy is an industry that's learned the hard way that safety isn't just rules, it's a culture, and that culture saves lives.